Hello all, I'm here to show you how I do my study portfolio every week. So this is my document. I just use the same one every week and just edit it, from there because I think that's easiest for me. So I just click on the box and then copy and paste. Then I head into my study portfolio. Oops, accidentally messed that one up. Ignore that. So this is study portfolio week 4. And then we're going to put that bad boy, we're going to copy, and we're going to keep the formatting. And I think Pages is really, my Pages on my laptop is weird, so I like to do all of my color, like to change the colors all to black through here because it's easier and you can select the whole entire thing. And then I just hit post, and boom, just like that. So yeah, that's how I do my study portfolio every week. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.